Yo, internet adventurers! What if I told you there's a secret Google tool that makes the regular search bar look like a toy? This hidden gem finds stuff so fast. Hidden reports, secret files, the latest news. It's like Google handed you a cheat code for the internet. In this ride, I'm unveiling a Google search bar that's 10 times smarter than what you're using, packed with 5 epic tricks to save you hours. From digging up goldmine PDFs to snagging hyper-specific results, you'll be searching like a pro by the end. Plus, there's a mind-blowing surprise at the finish line that'll change how you use Google forever. Let's dive into this search party. You're not going to want to miss a second. All right, let's set the scene. Google's awesome, but let's be real. It's a mess of ads, clickbait, and results that miss the mark. Ever searched best headphones 2025 and got stuck with sponsored posts? Frustrating, right? That's where the secret search bar swoops in, slicing through the noise like a ninja. It's perfect for students, marketers, or anyone who wants answers fast without the fluff. I've been playing with it for a week and it's transformed how I find info. Let's unlock 5 killer ways to use it and why it's your new go-to in 2025. First, what's this mystery tool? It's Google Advanced Search. Combined with Slick Search Operators, think of it as Google's Pro Mode built for power users. It lets you filter out junk, zero in on specific sites, or uncover hidden files the regular search bar can't touch. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a foldable flagship. Whether you're hunting research, papers, or the freshest news, this tool's got your back. Let's dive into how to access it and the 5 game-changing tricks that make it unstoppable. To tap into this hidden search bar, go to google.com, advanced search. You'll see a page with boxes to fine-tune your search like a master. Filter by exact phrases. Ditch words you don't want. Pick a language or focus on recent results. It's like telling Google, get serious and show me the good stuff. Prefer the regular search bar? No sweat, use search operators, simple codes you type to unlock the same power. I'll show you both methods. But first, let's talk about why this matters in 2025. With AI search tools and ads clogging up the internet, finding legit info is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Google's AI summaries are cool but often hide the deep, juicy stuff. This hidden search bar cuts through the chaos, delivering exactly what you need. Think insider, reports, academic papers, or breaking updates. I used it to find a 2025 tech trend report in seconds, while my buddy was still scrolling page 4. Let's jump into the 5 tricks that'll make you a search superstar. Trick 1. Search a single website like a pro. Want articles on electric cars only from CNET? Type site, cnet.com, electric cars into Google, and you'll get results just from CNET. No random blogs or ads. I use this to snag a CNET review on EVs in under 10 seconds. It's awesome for researching trusted sources, checking old posts, or even peeking at a brand's site. Try it with your favorite news outlet. You'll feel like you've got X-ray vision. Trick 2. Unearth hidden files like PDFs or slides. Tired of blog spam when you need a solid report? Type file type, PDF, Sustainable Fashion 2025. And Google will pull up professional PDFs from universities or companies. I found a 40-page sustainability report from a think tank that was pure fire, and it took me a minute. Students, marketers, anyone needing credible sources, this is your shortcut. Swap PDF for PPT to grab PowerPoint decks for your next big presentation. Trick 3. Lock in on fresh news with date filters. Need the latest on AI startups? Type AI startups after 2025-08-01, before 2025-08-08. And Google shows only results from that week. I used this to find a Wired article on AI funding that everyone else overlooked. Perfect for journalists, investors, or trend hunters who need the latest scoop. Tweak the dates for any time frame. Yesterday, last month, you name it. Loving these search hacks? Join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups for more exclusive tips and free guides to boost your digital skills. Links are in the description. Jump in to stay ahead of the game. Trick 4 is where it gets wild. Mix operators for ultimate control. Say you want recent PDFs on AI ethics from The Verge. Type site, theverge.com, AI ethics, file type.pdf, after 2025-0101. And Google delivers exactly that. I used this to find a killer AI policy brief while my friend was stuck on page 5 of regular results. You can stack operators like a playlist, making Google your personal research buddy. It's like having a superpower for finding info. Trick 5 is a total banger. Use the Intitle operator for laser-focused results. Want pages where your topic is front and center? Type in title, Renewable Energy 2025. And Google prioritizes pages with that exact phrase in the title. I found a niche blog on solar tech that was buried in regular search but packed with insights. This trick is gold for content creators or anyone who needs high-quality sources fast. It's like telling Google, don't waste my time. Now, here's the jaw-dropping surprise I promised. One that'll make you see Google in a whole new light. You can use this hidden search bar to uncover unlisted pages Google doesn't normally show. Type your keyword, then add InURL, sign-up login, to skip common pages, and toss in in-text, internal to find rare insider content. I discovered an Unlisted 2025 tech forecast from a company's internal blog this way, stuff you'd never find otherwise. Use this responsibly, but it's a total game changer. I'll flash a quick demo on screen so you can see the magic in action. Why does this hidden search bar matter? In 2025, the web's a jungle of AI fluff and paid ads. This tool lets you slice through the mess, find what you need in seconds, and work smarter. Whether you're a student racing a deadline, a marketer chasing trends, or just curious, it's like getting Google's VIP pass for free. I've cut my research time in half with these tricks, and my results are way better. All right, it's time for the big reveal. The key to unlocking this smarter search bar and owning the internet. Head to google.com, advanced search to dive into the full interface, or just type those operators like cite, file type, or entitle right into Google's regular bar. That's it, you're now a search wizard. Try it today and watch how fast you find the good stuff. I'm telling you, once you master this, regular Google will feel like dial-up internet. If this rocked your world, smash that like button and subscribe to Padded Vibes channel for more game-changing tech tips. Join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and blog for exclusive guides and early access to my next big secret. Links are in the description. Our community got these tricks a week early, and spots are filling up fast, so hop in now. Drop a comment. Which trick are you stoked to try? Or what's the coolest thing you found on Google? I'll be in the comments to share more goodies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.